Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your Bybit application, and once you are on the home screen, you need to tap on this assets button at the bottom right corner and then click on this funding account. Here you can see an option that says withdraw. Simply tap here, and after that uncheck this, and in the search bar search for Sol, and in the S section you can see here Solana. Simply tap here, and after that you need to input the address of your Phantom wallet and the network and amount of Solana you are withdrawing from your Bybit account. And after this you need to minimize your Bybit application, and you need to open your Phantom wallet. Once you are on the home screen, you need to tap on this receive button. After that, here you can see list of coins. In here you need to tap on this Solana, and after that you need to copy this address and minimize this, and then you need to paste this on Bybit and paste here. After that, in the network section, you need to select Solana and make sure that the Solana is transferred on its own chain, so the network fees is required. Simply tap on the Solana, and after that enter an amount you want to withdraw from your Bybit account. After that you need to click on this withdraw button, and keep in mind that the amount is 0.03 minimum amount. And then you need to click on this withdraw button, and after that it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Solana from your Bybit to your Phantom wallet. After that you will be able to see your funds in your Phantom wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.